Cuaca hari ini cerah, tapi kadang mendung. Hai, welcome to my channel. Hello Villas, welcome. My name is V. Today we are going to learn about the weather and season in Indonesia. Cuaca dan musim. Well, it's not much. It's gonna be a quick lesson anyway. We only got 2 seasons here. Musim penghujan atau musim hujan, rainy. Dan musim kemarau atau musim panas, summer. We don't have snow here. Kami tidak punya salju di sini. Snow, salju. We don't have it, but we have term about it. And then the weather. Cerah, sunny, cerah, cerah. It's sunny today. Cerah, cuaca cerah. Mendung, cloudy, mendung, mendung, mendung. It's cloudy. Mendung. Can you see the sun? Oh my goodness, that is the sun. But because of the cloud, because of this is cloudy, the sun cannot shine. Gerimis Drizzle. Gerimis. Drizzling. Gerimis. Can you even see the drizzle? Can you see that or not? That's a really beautiful thing you ever seen, huh? When it's drizzling, when the sun shines. See that? Hujan, rain, hujan, hujan. It's raining over here. Hujan. 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 Panas, hot or bright. Panas. Panas. Cuaca panas. Panas. Hot. Let me see. Let us see the sun. Where is the sun? Where is the sun? Where is the sun? Badai Stormy. Badai. Badai. And then we don't usually say this, but there are things in the weather apps which translating windy as berangin. Berangin. But we don't usually say that. And also Berkabut Foggy. Berkabut. I think that's enough for today. Well, maybe I missed something, but I think that's really enough for today. Till next time, with always full of love regards, V stops chattering.